I know this looks kind of like a mess, but see this wire there? It's a very helpful wire. This is using what you have on hand. And bam. Yep. That's a cheap dash cam I picked up a while back, and it actually remotes. You can remote it straight from the dash cam through Wi-Fi to your phone, and you can even see the image that projects on the screen on your phone. So I've been wanting to get a backup camera to help me back up to my trailers and stuff, but I didn't really want to spend the money. And then I remembered I had this little guy, and by just running the wire out here, and I already had from my previous setup, I had a magnet on here, so it helps it hold. I can set it right there and watch the screen on my phone back straight up to my camera, or to my trailer. Yeah, so just want to make a quick video about that, kind of showing it. You never know when you might be able to use something you already had, because I got a better dash cam now, so I don't really use this one anymore, and it's been sitting around for a while. But I remembered the details of how it worked, and I was wondering if it'd work out. And honestly, yeah, it saved me from backing up, getting in and out a bunch, and all kinds of stuff getting just right. Because on this big trailer, there ain't no moving the trailer. You got to back it up right and right to it. So, all right, that's it. I'll see if I can find a link to that one, because it is an older one, and it might be pretty cheap still. But yeah, any kind of little Wi-Fi camera I think would work great with this. Like, I got a little drone I picked up for super cheap drone, kind of junky. It's gonna be broke here soon, but it's got a Wi-Fi camera on it. So if I keep it and the battery, link up to that Wi-Fi camera, and I can watch the image on my screen. Just want to throw out there and that little tip. That's it.